your channel for mobile development, and today we're going to be going over shape elements in SwiftUI. So we're going to go ahead and add a new file. It's going to be called shapes element, and then we're going to go ahead and click create, and then in here we're going to go, we can keep this text, go back to content view, get rid of this button element, and add shapes element. Okay, so now we can get rid of this text. We're going to go ahead and add a VStack. Okay, and in this VStack we're going to have 5 different shapes. So first one is going to be rectangle, and we can make this a frame, and this frame is going to have a width of, we could do 150, and a height of 100. Alright, now you can see our rectangle shape, and what we could go ahead and do is add a dot foreground color of dot red. Now we could change the color of it, and then after this we could go ahead and add in our next shape, rounded rectangle, and this is going to have a corner radius of, let's say, 25, and a style of continuous. Okay, and now we could change the size for this one too, so dot frame, and in this frame we could have width of also 150, and a height of 100. Cool. We could also change this foreground color to dot blue. Alright, now you can see our 2 shapes, just 3 more. They also have capsule, and we can set this like this, then have dot 100, have the width, dot frame, frame, width, and this is going to be, this is 150, and have this one, the height as 100. Alright, they have an ellipse, and in this ellipse we can have a frame with, also we could do 150 for the width, and a height of 100. And for the final one, we have a circle. Dot frame, width of 100, and we do a height of 100. Okay. So what we could also do is go back and change the colors of these. So we could do dot foreground color of dot green. For this one we could have dot foreground color of dot orange, and then a foreground color dot purple. Okay, so as you can see to our right, we have all our shapes, Here's a couple parameters within them. So we got frame and foreground color. So foreground color obviously changes color. We have frame, which sets the size of it. We could also check some more out. If we do dot this, and we can have change the opacity. Have this as like 0.5. There we go. So as you can see, these are the different shapes. You can use these for like background colors or making the background for buttons, anything like that. Anything you would need a shape for. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comments and we'll get back to you. And have a great day. Thank you.